Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Today I am going to share tandoori lamb chops recipe. Soft and juicy. Very easy and simple delicious recipe. Lamb chops 10 pieces. Onion 1 cup. Salt to taste. Ginger garlic paste 3 tablespoons. Turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon. Water 2 cup. Mix. Garam masala 1 teaspoon. Mix. Cover and cook until water dry. Check in between. Almost done. Masala preparation. Yogurt 1 cup. Lemon juice 2 tablespoons. A little bit salt. Chili flakes 1 tablespoon. Chili powder 1 tablespoon. Tandoori masala 1.5 tablespoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Crushed coriander 1 teaspoon. Garam masala 1/2 teaspoon. Dry parsley 1 teaspoon. Mix well. Done. Butter 2 tablespoons. Add lamb chops. Masala mixture on top. Fry 2 to 3 minutes each side. Flip. Prepared masala on top. Done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.